Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to use what3words in the app Havn. Havn is an all-electric chauffeur service application that's used in London. It's a great option because you can pre-book, their waiting times are very flexible as well, and there are many other great services available. So let's just go ahead and get into the app. As you can see, the app first takes you to your current location using your phone GPS. If you're being picked up from your current location, you can go ahead and enter your destination right away, but I'm outside of London, so I'm going to have to enter my pickup location. To do that, I'm going to click on Pickup and enter my 3-word address in the search locations bar. So in this case, I'm going to enter filled count soap. This is an address in London. And these are some auto suggestions in case you've made any typos or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one. Now we can enter our destination. To do that, let's click on drop off and do the same thing. In the search locations bar, let's enter our 3-word address. So in this case, I'm going to type in create panel pizza. This is the 3-word address for Heathrow Airport Terminal 3. So I'm going to click on the first suggestion. And now we can set our pickup time. I'll just do right now. And it gives you the estimated price. If everything looks good, you can just go ahead and click continue. If you have any additional information, you can fill that in. If not, click on continue again. And now you can add your payment cards and book your journey. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.